Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome back to my channel, My Mom's Choice. There are many different types and brands of baby carriers available, and the best one for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Here are some factors to consider when choosing a baby carrier. The first factor is safety. The carrier should be safe and secure for both you and your baby. And the second factor is comfort. The carrier should be comfortable for both you and your baby with good weight distribution and padding. And the third factor is age range. Some carriers are designed for newborns, while others are better suited for older babies and toddlers. And the fourth factor is the durability. The carrier should be well made and able to withstand regular use. And the fifth factor is easy of use. The carrier should be easy to put on and take off and adjust for a proper fit. And the last factor is the price. Baby carriers can range in price from very affordable to quite expensive. So consider your budget when making your decision. Based on these factors, some popular baby carriers brands include Ergo Baby, known for their ergonomic design and comfort for both baby and parents. Next is Baby Bjorn, popular for their ease of use and versatility. And the next is Tula, designed for a wide range of ages, size with a variety of carrying positions. And the next is Lily Baby, features a wide range of carrying position and a comfortable adjustable fit. And the next is Boba, known for their affordable and versatility with a range of size and designs. Ultimately, the best baby carriers for you will depend on your personal preference and needs. It is a good idea to try out a few different types of carrier to see which one works best for you and your baby. Thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to My Mom's Choice.